What's up, everybody? Welcome to Practical Reviews, and welcome to my wife's 2021 Nissan Rogue. Look, the Rogue is a great vehicle. It's probably Nissan's best-selling vehicle over the last 5 to 10 years, to be honest with you. And it's because it's practical. It's not too big of a vehicle, so a lot of single moms and folks that drive for work love this vehicle. The other thing is this vehicle is dependable, right? It gives you all the fixings of a SUV, but it drives like a car. So look, my wife's Liftgate got stuck in the up position when we came home from the grocery store this weekend, and never seen that before. I thought the battery died, but after doing some reading and doing some research on YouTube, it turns out that it was the computer system getting kicked out of alignment of some sort. So I did the wrong thing and I force closed it down, and everybody said that that was probably the wrong thing to do because you could have broken or bent some struts or whatever on the inside. So here's how you fix it. On the inside of the vehicle, the liftgate button, press and hold it for 5 seconds. This is the fastest and easiest way to try to fix it. This somewhat resets the system and hopefully kicks it back into gear. If that doesn't work, next thing you do is you go to the battery and you disconnect the negative battery terminal, disconnecting the battery for about 15 minutes to do a hard reset on the computer system. This resets not only the liftgate computer, but also the radio, the time in the car, everything. This is a hard reset. This is like doing a hard reset on your home computer or whatever. So this worked for me. This was the final fix. When I reconnected everything, it put it back in alignment and is working like new again. The last thing that was suggested that you do was take it to the dealership and have them diagnose it for about $100 to $200 an hour and then fix it for about $15. So if you're looking to save a little bit of money, I would always suggest you come to YouTube first, find a video like mine or somebody similar to see what their suggestion is, because 9 times out of 10 somebody's had this issue before. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully this helps save you a little bit of money. And at the end of the day, Nissan Rogue, hopefully they come out with a hybrid version of this or even an electric version, because the Rogue has been a solid vehicle over the last 10 to 20 years, to be honest with you. So let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next one.